10:15 p.m. At 10:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Deerfield, or near Blissfield, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Petersburg and Britain around 10:30 p.m. Dundee around 10:40 p.m. Maybe around 10:45 p.m. Carlton around 11 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Carlton, Monroe, Lee, Temperance, Ida, Petersburg, Lapeer, Deerfield, Maybe, and Lambertville. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Lenawee, and Monroe. Here is the forecast for